Imagine a country with no physical land, no traditional borders, and no human president, just advanced algorithms making every single decision, governing every aspect of its existence. This concept challenges our fundamental understanding of what a nation truly is. Sounds impossible, a mere science fiction fantasy? Yet, the foundational elements for such a reality might already be taking shape around us. Welcome to the dawning age of the AI nation, where technology redefines sovereignty and citizenship. Historically, countries have always been unequivocally defined by three core pillars: a specific territory or landmass, a population of people residing within those borders, and a governing body or government. But what if groundbreaking technology, particularly artificial intelligence and blockchain, fundamentally breaks this long-standing rule, creating new forms of national identity? We are introducing the revolutionary concept of AI nations, entirely virtual states that are run and managed exclusively by sophisticated algorithms, existing and operating entirely within the digital realm. These are not physical places, but digital ecosystems of governance. The underlying idea of virtual or non-traditional states isn't entirely new. We can trace early examples back to initiatives like Bitnation, which was founded in 2014 with the aim of creating a voluntary blockchain-based nation, as well as the micronation projects of Liberland and Sealand, each exploring alternative forms of governance and identity. These pioneering initiatives, though varied in their approaches, collectively demonstrated how emerging technologies such as AI, blockchain, and digital identification systems could be leveraged to create novel forms of virtual citizenships and decentralized governance structures, laying the groundwork for future AI nations. In an AI nation, artificial intelligence itself acts as the central government. Algorithms are meticulously designed to manage complex functions like taxation, the creation and enforcement of laws, and the protection of citizen rights, all through a highly efficient, data-driven governance model that aims for impartiality. Blockchain technology serves as the immutable and transparent infrastructure underpinning these AI nations. It ensures that all decision-making processes are recorded and verifiable, promoting unparalleled transparency and maintaining the absolute integrity of all data and transactions within the system, making it resistant to tampering. Digital identity is the key that unlocks participation, allowing anyone, regardless of their physical location, to become a recognized citizen of an AI nation. This fosters the creation of a truly global, borderless community where belonging is determined by digital presence rather than geographical proximity. What truly distinguishes AI nations from traditional forms of governance is their reliance on data-driven governance. This approach promises a system free from human corruption, emotional biases, or personal agendas, theoretically leading to more objective and consistent decision-making processes. Within an AI nation, citizens could participate in direct democracy by voting instantly on various issues and policies through secure digital platforms. This immediate feedback loop could lead to significantly faster and potentially fairer decisions, as the collective will of the citizens is rapidly aggregated and acted upon. However, these profound technological advancements and promises of efficiency come with significant and complex risks. A critical question arises: who programs the AI, and whose values are embedded in its code? Who ultimately decides what constitutes fairness or justice within such a system, and how can we ensure those values align with human ethics? Another major concern revolves around cybersecurity. Could sophisticated hackers potentially take control of the AI's core systems, exploiting vulnerabilities to manipulate decisions or compromise citizen data? The threat of cyber attacks and system breaches represents a significant and ever-present risk to the stability and trustworthiness of AI nations. Furthermore, what happens when the cold, hard logic of an AI, designed for optimal efficiency, inevitably clashes with the nuanced, often irrational, and deeply human values of its citizens? A system that is technically perfect in its algorithmic execution could still make decisions that are perfectly wrong from a human ethical or moral perspective, leading to profound societal conflicts. Looking ahead, experts are beginning to predict that by the year 2050, the very nature of governmental leadership might fundamentally shift, moving away from purely human control. Projects like WorldCoin, which aims to establish a global identity and financial network, and Estonia's pioneering e-residency program, which offers digital identity to non-residents, provide tangible glimpses into this potential future of AI-driven governance and digital citizenship. Ultimately, the first true AI nation won't begin its existence by establishing physical borders or claiming territory. Instead, it will emerge and grow through the collective belief and participation of individuals who are willing to embrace this new paradigm of governance, forming a community bound by shared digital principles rather than geography. Given these possibilities and challenges, we pose a crucial question to you. Would you personally choose to live in an AI-controlled country, entrusting your governance to algorithms? Share your thoughts and perspectives with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Why How When, your go-to channel where we delve deep into exploring the most pressing questions that are actively shaping our collective future, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and understanding its implications.